Welcome back to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. Friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to generate auto captions for free using Meta's new video editing app, Edits. If you create videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, adding captions can make your videos look much more professional and engaging. The best part is that this feature is completely free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the Edits option. If you don't see the Edits option, simply open the Google Play Store. Search for Edits and install the app. I already have the app installed, so I won't install it again. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Now tap the plus icon. Select the video from your gallery that you want to add captions to. Your video will be added to the timeline. If needed, you can trim the video by adjusting its length directly on the timeline. Next, tap once on the video track. You'll see several editing tools at the bottom, including audio, text, voice, link, captions. Tap on caption. Now go to the spoken language option. You can select a specific language if it's available. If your language isn't listed, simply choose Auto Detect. The app will automatically detect the spoken language in your video and generate captions for it. Then tap Generate Caption. Within a few moments, your captions will be created automatically. After the captions have been generated, open the Caption Style option. Here you can customize the font, size, color, and overall style of your captions. Choose the style that best matches your video. Then tap Done in the top right corner. Now play the video once to make sure everything looks correct. If everything is perfect, then tap the 2K option next to the Next button. Choose your preferred resolution from HD, 2K, or 4K. I recommend selecting 4K for the highest video quality. Once everything is set, tap the Next button to continue. Within a few moments, your video will be exported with professional-looking auto captions. That's it. Your video now includes professional auto captions. If you want to download the video, simply click the download button at the bottom of the screen. And the best part is, you didn't need any paid software or any separate caption app. So friends, this is the easiest way to generate auto captions for free using Meta's new Edits app. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel for more technology tips, AI tools, and video editing tutorials. I'm Syed. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.